How to use HighLevel CRM for real estate agents. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to teach 3 questions. Question number 1, how to create a pipeline for real estate agents in HighLevel. Question 2, how to create workflows to move leads into various stages in the pipeline in HighLevel. And question number 3, how to easily communicate with all your leads from the unified inbox within HighLevel. So I'm going to hop out of here and into my demo sub-account in HighLevel. So over here, you might land on Launchpad or Dashboard. The first thing you want to do is you want to go down to Opportunities. And if you go to Opportunities and you have a pipeline already, you're going to see those pipelines listed here like so. I have Appointments, Demo, and Sales. If I want to create a new pipeline, I scroll down to the bottom and click on Settings. And then I want to click on Opportunities and Pipelines. And then from Opportunities and Pipelines, I want to click over here to Pipelines. And then from pipelines, I want to click this green button, create a new pipeline. So this one might be called, for simplicity's sake, let's call it real estate agents. And then our first stage might be lead. And then we might add a second stage that is something like home buyer. We might add another stage that's home seller. We'll just do these 3 for right now. You can get more creative. This is more or less just a sample anyway. So we'll just delete that last one. So we have lead, home buyer, home seller, and we'll save that. Okay. So now we have a brand new pipeline called real estate agents. So now what we can do is we can go back. We can actually view that, and we'll see we have lead, home buyer, home seller. And we can start putting our leads into here once we start generating our leads. Now the next thing we want to do is go to automation, and we want to create a workflow, and we'll start from scratch. And in this workflow we might have a new contact. So a contact might get created if this was specifically built for a real estate agent. So we might do contact created, which is right here. I'm going to move myself out of the way so I can save this. And then the first thing we might want to do is we might want to put an opportunity. So create, update opportunity. And then we want to select our pipeline, which is real estate agent. And then this one here might be lead. And then the opportunity name might be the name and the contact email. So the name and the contact email. And then the source here could be first or latest. And then be session source or URL, whatever makes most sense. So we might do URL there. And then status would be open. And then allow opportunity to move to any previous stage in the pipeline. No, we won't do that. Allow duplicate opportunities. No, we won't do that either. And we'll leave the lead value open as well, but you could assign a value to it. And then we'll save that. And then we'll save this workflow. And then the first thing we'll do is rename this new lead, update stage in pipeline. Something like that. Save it again. And then we might give this a more descriptive name here. So it might be like create, instead of or update, we'll just say create opportunity new lead. And then save it. And then we could do other things beyond that, right? So we could send them a follow, we could send them an email, we could send them a text message. We can add a tag. We can add them to another workflow. We can have it place a phone call if we want to. We can do all sorts of things from here, but we're not going to worry about that. But that's how you would move them into a different stage inside of the pipeline. And then we'll go back, and then inside of here where we have our conversations, this is our unified inbox. So if we had leads coming in here, we could see all the leads on the left-hand side. Click on a lead, we would see the conversation, and that conversation might be coming from Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, email, a phone call, a text, text message, of course, SMS, etc. So all those would be here, like this one here, just giving an example. So we have opportunity was created, and then this was a test email, and then disable DND enabled by user. So this was just a test I was running. But you can see what it would look like, the conversation. And then depending on the channel they came in, it would be different channels here to respond from as well. So if they only came in from email, only email will be here. If they came in from SMS, SMS would be here. And you can then message back and forth with any lead from any source I just mentioned. Then under each contact, we go back to contacts. We can click into any contact, and from the contact, this is where we can have all kinds of information about the particular contact. So we have their name, email address, phone number, we get their date of birth, contact source, contact type. General info would include business name, address, city, country, state, zip code, website, time zone. And then, of course, we can have additional fields if we wanted to and create those and add them. We can add tags to this contact. We can put them in different automations. We can move them into opportunities here as well. And we have the DND, which is do not disturb all channels. So we can check off any, or they can decide which channels they don't want to be disturbed on. All right, and you can, of course, still communicate with folks directly through contacts, similar to conversations. And any notes would show up over here on this side: tasks, notes, appointments, documents, and payments. All that information would be over here on the right. So as always, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this particular video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Just leave me a comment below this video with your question. I'll answer it as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine. Plus, there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.